And COVID-19 vaccines administered today as the city holds another mega vaccine clinic in Robstown. And good evening, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Katy Uriarte. You know, it takes a lot of coordination and a lot of people to put events like that mega clinic on, and it also takes funding. But tonight, questions about whether Nueces County will get reimbursed for more than $2 million worth of COVID-19 related expenses. Our Seth Kovar takes us through the numbers and has reaction from county leaders.
Our Chris 6 Investigates team was able to get some COVID-19 financial figures from the county. Simply put, the county has spent more than $2 million over our allotment from the federal coronavirus relief fund.
There is no such thing as a COVID budget. There's only our opportunity to make sure that we do everything we can to save lives.
But from testing all the way to vaccinating, that cost of saving lives is a big one. The county's already spent almost $6.7 million in the fight against COVID-19. Federal money will reimburse the county more than $4.6 million. That leaves that $2 million unspoken for, though. But County Judge Barbara Canales is confident that'll change.
With the new stimulus bill on the horizon, I feel certain that Nueces County will be made whole for the justifiable expenses that they've made.
Some members of her commissioner's court aren't as confident, especially when it comes to FEMA. Commissioners Joe Gonzalez and Robert Hernandez both told me today the county's still waiting on FEMA money from Hurricane Harvey 3.5 years ago. A fellow commissioner asked that the issue go on a future meeting agenda.
The county judge has consistently reassured us that everything she is spending during this pandemic is subject and eligible for reimbursement. I don't have any reason to believe she's not accurate on that, but certainly it would be concerning if we don't get any of it back.
Canales says the county will get it back, if not from Washington, maybe somewhere a little closer to home.
Texas has over $2 billion worth of allocations they have not spent. So we have also petitioned Texas to share some of those allocations with counties that did not receive their fair share.
At last week's Commissioner's Court meeting, Precinct 4 Commissioner Brent Chesney asked for a presentation on the current state of the county's accounting. He says it's just that, a request for information, and it's information he could get in that presentation at a Commissioner's Court meeting next month. Reporting in Corpus Christi, Seth Kovar, Chris 6 News.